So this is how I learned rocking. You guys ever seen Beat Street? Right? So Crazy Legs, all of them, they go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every single thing is turn on 2 and then the same stuff on stuff. You know this to them, but so I thought that I knew what rocking was. Oh yeah. And it's like 1998 or something. We know they used to let us in the Fuller practice, and it's like you guys should meet the people from Brooklyn. He's like, yeah, you're kind of doing whatever. So that year they had United Style, and he brought King of Rock, a guy named Mr. Luce, this locker named Stop Rock, and all these people. And I was actually not impressed. I didn't really understand what I was seeing, but I can see this. I watched the video now, and I'm like, damn, like they were going crazy, but I didn't understand it. And then, behold, like 15 years later, I was like, King of Rock, so dope. But basically that's a lot. It's a lot of rhythm. So the timing that they were doing is the most common timing. I'm using my words very carefully today. I'm proud of myself. It's the most common timing that you'll see in rock or b-boy. So everybody goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here, this part, everything. Right? So that's the most common thing you're gonna see. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 Right? So same thing, but we're only gonna take one of these between the 3 and the 4. So this time when we go open, we're gonna put our arms forward. Last time we brought them back, this time we're gonna bring them forward. So this is gonna be 1. On 2, bring the arms back. On 3, we stop. We're also gonna bring arms forward. Then we're gonna jerk just like before, and drop just like before. So we go open, switch, tuck, jerk, and drop. Okay? So our timing with it is gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, let's try that together. Not the beginning yet. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nice. So the cool thing is the way I designed this, whatever foot is forward goes forward again. So you don't have to go and think that far, right? So when I open, whatever foot goes forward, I just switch it back, and then I go tuck, jerk, drop. And then this one's forward, so it just brings it even more forward. Open, switch, and then I tuck. Tuck, jerk, drop. Okay? Any questions so far? Same rules apply. I want my toes to point directly forward. If it goes too far this way, it's going to make it harder. And then I want to kind of stay as on the ball with my feet as possible. Okay? Side note, you guys, the general rule of like dancing, my heels are for great. So like if you ski or something, same movement. So if I want to increase my movement, I'm on the ball with my toes, on my feet. If I want to stop, I use my heels, right? So while I do this, I try to stay on the ball with my feet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 Alright? So I put my heels down a little bit, up to the toes and line. I'm gonna have more fluidity if I stay on the ball with my feet. Okay? This one is a little more visual too, right? So my first context of this is the first, like right away I'm learning this first. So now I already have to hit forward and again. So I'm going to take this jerk. I want you to think of an elliptical machine, like a lawnmower maybe, all that idea. So when I grab this person, I'm going to rip them open on that next step. So I'm going to go power movement of the rock. Okay, so I put as much power into that as I can. So we got open, switch. Okay, now this part is just like I said before. I'm gonna grab this person, I'm gonna do something, and then I'm gonna drop them. Okay, so now we're gonna add in the interval. Let's do this right. Yeah. There you go. Right kind of soft. So I'm gonna go open, switch, and then on my top, I'm gonna roll and drop. Okay? So I go open, switch, top, jerk, drop. Open, switch, top, jerk, drop. Right? So this is the first thing we did. Open, switch, top, jerk, finish, and drop. Open, switch, top, jerk, drop. This is a lot easier because it gives me a way to, once I switch, I come forward, so it's very clearly forward. I can switch and drop it again. If I had the hand roll, sometimes it makes it harder to do the jerk, but I want you guys to do it the time. So try it. We're going to try it the first way, then we'll try it with the roll, and the roll goes where we just go back to the first. Okay? So here's our timing. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 Okay? Here we go. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, switch, touch, drop. Open, switch, touch, drop. The jerk, like I said, is a power move and also just like a pull. So this is just something that you guys can practice to feel like how to control it. So I basically want to be able to roll my feet, like from my heel to my toe. And so basically when I step, I get on my toes as much as possible. I always want to stay balanced. So maybe I just use the balls of my feet. But I'm using that to jerk my hips forward and my shoulders back. So I can practice that. I can do on one leg if I want. 2 legs. I can open my knees. Whatever feels comfortable. As I listen to the music, maybe it gives me some type of idea of something different I want to do. get all super comfortable. Alright, any questions on any of those pieces? Yeah. So, depending on what I'm doing, if I'm battling you, I would do that. So if I see you backing away, I'm just going to keep coming back. Then I can't. So you can now stop me if I stand in your ground. Doesn't matter. There shouldn't be any contact. Everybody, I've seen some stuff. There should not be any contact. Some people draw a line. I don't like drawing lines because I feel like you just have to go. It's like if somebody's doing windmills and I'm sitting here and they're about to hit me, I never move. If you hit me, then we're gonna have a conversation about it. Because that's your body and I was already here. You gotta control your hands. I'm gonna pull you aside after and be like, yo, you gotta get a hands on that. It's like a driver's license. You can't drive if you don't have a license, you shouldn't get a car. If you can't control your windmills, you shouldn't do them around people. It's that simple. I'm trying to fight people around them, but at the same time, like, I'm not gonna get out of the way. I mean, like, if it's a grand space and I'm like, oh, they're trying to crack, I'll move out of the way. But we're sitting here watching a battle, and you're over here practicing and start like hitting people. That's your problem. You to figure out, right? That's dancing. You have to control your body. So it becomes a concept of battle. If I see you don't have control of your body too, then I'm gonna exploit it. I'm gonna jump all over the place just to make you fall. Does that answer your question? Any other questions? Still practicing. Yeah.
In my head, I think that counts as more circular than linear.
Say that last part again.
When I think of turns and spins, I think those are more circular than linear, but you did a certain, like, in your freestyle. So, I was not really, I didn't know what that's about.